This teenage boy discovered he could perfectly mimic any sound he heard, from a car engine to a bird song. At first, it was just a party trick, but when he posted a video online, it went viral overnight. People were amazed by his talent, and brands started reaching out, wanting him to create unique sound effects for their ads. Suddenly, he was making thousands of dollars, all from his bedroom. With his newfound wealth, he didn't just buy flashy things, he invested in his passion for music, creating a studio where he could explore even more sounds. What started as a quirky skill turned into a life-changing opportunity, proving that sometimes the weirdest talents can lead to the biggest rewards.